Hello and welcome to Darcy's Picks. This is my first picking video on camera. I've never I've attempted it before but never published it, and I don't even think I still have them. But I want to pick a lock or two while I'm chatting with you guys, so I'm going to get you set up, and then we'll see how I can do at picking all of this. So just give me a minute, we're gonna set you up. So I know you guys haven't seen this on this channel, but this is my work area. This is my key bench. And this room is completely flexible. It kind of becomes what I need it to be. So I have a computer here for reference when I'm looking up stuff on the internet, and this is where we keep the plants because there's a window and they like it. So this is Anne's contribution to this room camera. And so what this is it's a Master 03, and as you can see, the key works. I only have one key. I think I picked this lock up. Oh, I was gonna say it's key retaining, but it's not. So we'll leave that there. We'll leave it like that for now. So this is the key. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. So that's the key, but we don't need that. So it's a standard Master M3. I don't know what the length of the shackle is. It's locked. Now I've been practicing my lock picking all week. I'm not having any success, but I thought, well, if I'm not having success with what I'm doing, let's try and do something different. So this morning I came in here and grabbed this guy and I picked him right away. So let's see if we can get it in there. And so when you're learning to pick, it's easier almost to use a padlock because you can hold it in your hand. I have tensioning issues. I tend to tension too much. So I prefer to use a diamond hook or a diamond. I don't know if that's focused. Focused? Yeah. So I prefer to use the diamond. Now, I can be pretty good at raking stuff, but I want to work on my single pin picking. So for those of you who don't know, and if you go to my other channel, you'll probably know more. I have cerebral palsy, and so things with dexterity, it's very challenging for me to do. Oh, come on. I thought it would be easier to do a padlock. Okay, did you hear those pins drop? So I had them. So I have to reduce my tension. I can't believe this. I opened this like right away when I had it this morning. There, I just opened it. It's just open. So that wasn't too bad. That was kind of rough. But I'm going to do something I don't normally do. I have this guy here. And I believe he's pretty corroded. But we're going to try and pick him on camera. Now I know this is an active lock that I have, but I think this one's on its way out. So what I did was I have a paper towel that I put down here because I'm going to use a little bit of lube. What I like to use is liquid wrench because it's non-flammable and it's got like I don't know, I used to use it in the bike shop, We only used WD-40 when we were trying to, we knew we were gonna clean it all off afterward. Ideally, you wouldn't use your pick to do this, but I'm just gonna kind of move some stuff around in there just to help them along. I tried to open this one earlier, but I couldn't get it. But I've gotten this lock before, so I kind of have a CP issue here, is what I call it, because I'm trying to twist my wrist and keep it at a comfortable level. No, it doesn't feel right. Well, we still got moving pins in there, that's good. My pick is pretty gunked up. There's a couple sticky pins in there. I think I was getting ready to retire this lock, that's why it's up here instead of on a gate or somewhere. I think I might have changed it. Anyways guys, that lock seems like it's messed up. Let's see if we can do this again, just to get the practice in. Maybe not. My hands are starting to hurt. Ha! Maybe I won't get it a second time. I'm just not used to doing it through the camera, which is a big issue. You guys that do, like, your whole video content is this stuff. Wow, my hands are starting. Alright guys, I don't think I'm going to get this picked a second time. Maybe I'm just trying too hard, I don't know. But anyway, I want to thank you for watching this video. Oh, there we go. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe below. And if you want to see more about me and more about my life and who I am and stuff, go and check my other channel out. The link will be at the end of this video. Just follow the video link. I post videos daily on another channel called A Daily Dose of Darcy, which is supposed to be a behind the scenes look of my life. And it was originally why I started YouTube. Well, no, actually it isn't, but if you go there you'll find out all the backstory. But anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching the laundromat videos and for liking them and subscribing and stuff like that. Guys, wouldn't you know it, after I turned the camera off and switched over to the vlog, I actually picked this on the vlog. So if you want to see that, go over to my vlogging channel, and as you can see, that's you can't really make out. There's a lot of crap on there. It's pretty rusted up.